Hi, it's Ian Burrell here with Off the Hook TV. We are here in the Silicon Valley at the Silicon Valley African Film Festival. Very, very excited to be here. I am with Marie, who is one of the sponsors of the event, and we are happy to meet you today. This is my first time meeting you. Tell me a little bit about your sponsorship and your involvement in the festival.
The sponsorship came from Firelight Foundation, an organization that is headed by my husband Peter here next to me. It's an organization, he can speak more about the Firelight Foundation's work in Africa, but we are Africans, and I'm from Rwanda, and having initiative focusing on art and Africa and film, I mean, what not to like and what not to be enthusiastic about, and ready to sponsor and help as much as we can.
So it's definitely a good synergy for your organization, I'm sure. Peter, tell us a little bit about the organization.
Sure. The Firelight Foundation funds about 150 organizations in Africa that help orphans and vulnerable children in 10 countries. And we were funded out of a .com IPO in Silicon Valley. So when we see Silicon Valley and Africa together, it's a place we'd like to be, and we're really happy to support the festival.
Wonderful. And how long has the organization been around?
About 12 years.
12 years, that's amazing, amazing. What are you looking forward to most this weekend with the film festival? We understand you are supporters. What are some of the things you're looking forward to seeing?
Well, one of the messages we try to get across is that Africa is strong, Africa is vibrant, and Africa is beautiful. So we're hoping to see a lot of that and new stories from the continent.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, and thank you for your support. Thank you.